Hi guys, so today we'll be solving thickness problems based sa PPT. So, first na problem is a bed poses a true dip amount and direction of 55 north, 0 east. The surface of the ground level is level and the distance between the upper and the lower contacts of the bed measured perpendicular to strike is 250 meters. Find the thickness of the bed. And a double. So, how do we solve this? So, according sa problem, we have a bed na ay true dip in direction that is 55 north, 0 east. And the distance between the upper and lower contacts is 250 meters. So to visualize that, murag kanido atong tilted bed. From our tilted bed, since na naman tayo dip amount, which is the dip angle, 55 degrees. So, muna siya ang angle from this one. Since mo na ang true dip sa imong bed. So this is 55 degrees. Now, ang distance sa upper and lower contacts is 250. So asa man na mabot ang 250? Dire na siya sa taas. Kani, kana siyang 250. Then, after ani, unsay sunod na tabuhaton? Since ang ginapangita man is find the true thickness of the bed. Ang thickness ba sa bed is not measured from here to here, but paana perpendicular dapat sa imuhang line kani. So mo siya ginana, di ba? Kani ang imong thickness. So para ma-solve nato na mura na siya triangle ana natay 55 tapos 250. Notice na ang naaray value nato is hypotenuse ug ang angle sa ato ang opposite side. So ang gamiton nato ana is sine or saw. Okay? So sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Since naman tayo value sa atong opposite, which is 55, wala pa tayo value sa atong opposite, which is which is kanira pod. So, para ma-compare lang. So, buti na ito x, yung ginapangita pa man. Ang hypotenuse is 250. Then, cross-multiply na to, 250, may mo dire, x. After ana, para makuha na to, i-plot na nato siya sa calculator. So, makuha na to is 204.79 meters. So, according sa solving, kani siya na part is 204.79 meters. So, mo na imong true thickness.